Next, we're going to review the Livo2 Premium Mask Kit. There's going to be three main components that come in the kit. You're going to have the mask body, like so. Next, you're going to have the breather valve, this one here. And then next, you're going to have the strap. So to assemble the premium mask, you're going to simply take the breather port and take this one orifice. This is the blue side, the red side, and then the clear side. Take that clear side that has no valve inside of it and slide that directly on to the breather port for the premium mask, just like so. This valve can also rotate. So if you want to have it in different positions, depending on where the breather hose is coming in from, you can rotate it 360 degrees and that's fine. Next, we'll look at the mask strap. Now this one can be a bit tricky. The tag goes to the outside. So this tag goes to the outside and the gray will be to the outside, inside of the head, and this will be towards the outside, okay? So this larger circle at the top will go around the crown of your head. So kind of like this, like that, right there, and clip onto the mask here, and the lower one on the bottom. But just I'm trying to point out with this is that this larger piece basically goes right there on the crown of your head, right like that, okay? The way that I put this mask on is I attach the top two straps first. As you see, there's these little clips here. See if I can pick that up in the camera. These little clips. And there are these receivers on the mask body. So what I'll do is I'll just take this little round clip and I will clip it in to this receiver there. And you should hear it snap, click. Then I'll take the other top strap and put it into the opposite side receiver. And you'll hear the snap. Click, good. And then all I do is I simply take this strap and put it over my head, just like so. Now I have the top two straps connected. Now I can connect the bottom two straps. It's the same process. You take these little tabs and you clip it on here. And you hear the snap, good. Take this one, you clip it on here. Pull back, snap, and my mask is installed. Now you can adjust these Velcro straps as needed to make it tighter or looser on your head. Another thing we want to do is we want to make sure that the valves are opening and closing correctly. So you can watch here in the camera as you see. When I breathe in, the bottom valve opens. When I breathe out, the upper valve opens. So just watch me take a couple breaths. Good. So the valves are working correctly, which is great. Next, I want to make sure that we have an airtight seal. So the same way that we do with the standard mask kit, I'm going to take the flat part of my hand and I'm going to block the breather port. And I'm going to take a gentle, I repeat, gentle breath in, and you should feel some suction on your face. As soon as you feel the suction, you'll release your hand and that'll release the pressure and you know you have an airtight seal. So for example, since I'm feeling suction and I'm releasing, I know I have an airtight seal. If I try to do that and I feel air coming in from here or my chin, I don't have an airtight seal and my mask may be the wrong size, or you need to adjust the straps until you're able to get an airtight seal and feel that suction. So to remove this mask, the best way I found is to remove the bottom clips first by putting my finger here on the front and taking my thumb and clicking forward. And then again, my finger here on this little blue tab, front, both come off. And then I can simply lift it up. And that's how you put on and take off the Livo2 Premium Mask Kit. It may be helpful the first time that you are adjusting the straps to have another person help you. The first time it can be quite challenging if you're trying to do it yourself. If you are by yourself, I would highly recommend putting this on and adjusting your straps in a mirror. That will greatly help you to make sure that everything is working correctly and that you can kind of see what you're doing. The mirror helps quite a bit if you're by yourself and there's no one there to help you adjust your straps the first time. The first time it's kind of a pain because you have to adjust these perfectly to your head to make everything fit right. But once you get those adjusted, you just remove the clips and you never touch the Velcro again, and that makes it a breeze to put on and off. So if you follow these guidelines, you're gonna have a successful experience with the Livo2 Premium Mask.